Newmil's bottom painting division have been battle tested, and it's fine-tuned with a very set formula in regards to length and width of the boat. In order for Newmil to be competitive in a very competitive market with small margins, we have to be very accurate with our calculations in regards to labor, in regards to product. We have set formulas in place to calculate exactly how much paint we need for what design boat and what paint gets applied. Once the booking is confirmed, we can have a haul date. Newmil will then coordinate the haul date with the client in the shipyard, and the shipyard will haul the boat on the specific date. It will be pressure washed, it will be blocked. After the substrate has been sanded properly, it can either be sprayed or rolled. We want quality of product out there, and bottom paint that gets applied is only as good as the substrate that we prepare. And bottom paint per se needs to have a thick millage in order to combat the growth. So we always put on the maximum amount of paint. Normally 80% of the time there'll be 2 coats of bottom paint that will be applied. We have to, in close consideration with the ambient temperature and the weather, apply these coats. Drying times is important for Newmil as well. We closely coordinate the splash dates for the yachts with the last coat of paint that we put on, so that the bottom paint doesn't dry out or admit itself into the air for no apparent reason. It all goes hand in hand with delivering a quality product that won't deteriorate prematurely. Another inset there is jack stands that hold these boats in position. Some of the applicators will actually wait until the last minute when the boat gets lifted up prior to the launch to apply these little areas. We have got a system in place with a yard where they will actually move these jack stands for us, protect the existing area with wax paper, which gives us the opportunity to then complete the bottom job and get to those jack stand areas before it actually goes into the water. Not everybody does this because it is a little more time consuming. With that in place, we can complete the bottom job as a whole much better for the customer. A subdivision of the bottom is what they call the running gear. The running gear consists of the propellers and the shafts. Some of the competitors do not do that. It's not something that they want to get involved in. That gives us an edge over the competition, again, to create a full package where we can do a complete bottom job, including the sanding, the application of the bottom paint, the completing of the running gear, and also removing and reinstalling the anodes, or zincs as they are known.